Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy USDT on Binance. Let's get into this. Once you have opened Binance, click on Buy with Credit or Debit Card. Click on USDT, search for the currency that you want to pay with. I'm going to go for GBP. Then you just need to enter how much USDT you want to buy. Then click on Pay with Card. If it's your first time, it will ask for your card details. Once you have done that, then you just need to enter your card CVV number. Agree to the terms and click on Confirm. After this, you may need to verify your payment depending on your bank. It would then take few seconds and you should hopefully see your USDT in your spot wallet. I hope this video has helped you. Thank you for watching.